How to switch to a public account on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off private account easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Go to your profile. Once you are in your profile, just click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now click on the second option, which is privacy, and you have private account, which is already turned on. All you need to do is turn off this option, but you should know that change to public account, anyone can watch your videos and answer your questions from public videos, and also users may be able to do it and like share your videos and this stuff. Just click on confirm, and this is it. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.